to I was actually checking I think this is where we turn. What's the street name?
The next one maybe? This one?
No, I think it's this one. This is Siete. Hold on. Let's try to cross anyway on the other side. Because then, yeah, we need to cross, but I don't know whether crossing is the next street or not, or is it just this street on the other side? Gracias. Still have to go down there. We can cross to walk in the middle. There's a car.
I can tell that the system in England is much more rigorous. They check your name 10 million times in England. They don't just come in and start putting some ID in your hands. They ask you over and over again, what's your name, what's your date of birth, Here they don't.
Well,
English.
because there's no culture of suing. It will, once lawyers start to want to earn millions, like in America. Yeah.
I did check this.
Where we turn right. It's either this side or that side.
You want me to be on your right?
Whichever you like. There you are, a sick person. Aye, aye. So, that's Hotel Tigotan. You see, if you want to stay at the Tigotan, it's this one. And yeah, it looks like a sports bar. You can guess that it's already cheap to stay on this side.
Saturday, there's probably a football match or something.
Oh. Yeah.
El Dorado, like that here.
Paseo. You can either take this one and go down, or go to the road and turn left.
And those yellow towers we see them, they're kind of on top of our hotel.
Yeah.
They're further away from the sea than us. So this is the Tenerife we don't know.
Yes. Yeah, this is the one we are not so used to.
So big on the floor.
Left, huh? That big one. So
What's going on here?
the shop. It's a dog come. You always find attraction to those kind of things. I don't know what. Yes. It's kindness. Watch out. The bus come. In theory, you can either stay on this side
Yeah. Shades.
and cross at the bottom, or you can dive. It's divers.
On the right.
It's okay. It's okay. Just it's closed.
Oh, the worst nights in my life.
It's a massage parlor.
I can't believe that we didn't wake up.
We
All
did.
the noise I was making.
I know. I heard all the noise you were making.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, but I thought
Well, then check if I was alright.
you were fine. I knew you were fine. I asked you, but you don't answer. You keep banging stuff, doors.
Oh, no. Bang. But there's something wrong with our door, right? And I will tell you. She says, that's really expensive. Bang, bang, bang.
But you didn't need to. How do you say? You didn't need to close it. It kept closing the door.
The bathroom door.
Yeah.
For the smell, really.
I just said okay.
For the smell.
Can I cross here? Or stay here?
It's busy, yeah, it's busy.
Yeah. you were also supposed to stop at the pharmacy.
Well, let's go to the hotel first. To see what I want. I'm not going to get all those medications. Have you seen how many they prescribed? I definitely need those sachets to keep me hydrated.
Okay.
That's important. And I need antibiotics.
Yeah.
I prescribed like 10 different medications and three, 5 times a day and 2. Come on,
Okay.
I'm gonna be like putting almost pills in my stomach. And my stomach is already so upset.
Medication is just like food. Yeah.
I need to look at them and see what I want.
I don't know why you're allergic to medication when it is just like the food. If you consider the amount of food you eat
That's gonna have to come
and
down.
the amount of drink you take,
That has to go up.
so you have to drink more. Maybe more alcohol than dehydration, for fuck's sake.
You know what is so bizarre?
Yeah?
The whole night
Yes?
I kept thinking about food. It was helping me to vomit or something.
It's your DNA. Your DNA is food oriented.
I think it's helped me to vomit. This is Cologne. That's H10. That's our hotel. Do we have to go up here?
Yes.
Or up?
You can go up or stay down and
Under
go.
the tunnels.
Yeah. Would you like to stay under the tunnel? No, maybe this way. It's better.
We don't need to go back to that hospital.
What?
We don't need to go
No, you will have to climb.
back to that hospital. But watch out for cows. We don't need to go back to that hospital.
You can cross, but there's no crossing for pedestrians there. These are the popular bars. Most-populous. You see where you were going? If we had continued on the foot, you would have seen that. There's a crossing there. A lot of passion going on. Those games. So, we walk. We'll take the taxi roads. If we stick to the right side, that's Leonardo's place. Gives you away.
Very good, very nice.
museum I think is a good idea because it puts a kind of film
Yeah, I really,
for the youth. I must have lost a few kilos for sure last night.
Wow. At least you skipped the breakfast.
Yeah, but the whole Playa.
You can go down here or
Steps.
the car start.
Yeah, let's see. The paella and the chicken soup never was digested. Okay. I need to be on the right side.
Yeah, you follow. Oh, Pilates. You can have a Pilates studio here. Maybe they will open it one day. Yeah, well, we are there. The wind, yeah, the wind takes you in.